Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, pyare Hazur. My name is Zishan Ahmed. I'm 15 years old and I'm from Scotland region. Hazur, my question is, how do you spend your time during Eid day?
You see, before Eid prayer, normally I spend some time to prepare my khutbah, right? And after Eid, then I come home, see my children, my family members, and also I do call some of my friends, my relatives, and say Eid Mubarak, or receive calls from them for Eid Mubarak. And then normally I come to my office and start working again. Then Zohar prayer, and then after Zohar prayer, then I take lunch with my family members, and then after that my routine work starts again as I am spending on the normal days. So there is not much difference. Apart from that, on the Eid days I receive Eid Mubarak calls from different people, and also at the same time I sit together with my family member for some time, for 1 hour, and take my lunch with them. Okay.
Jazakallah Hazur for your answer.
Okay.